Hello, YouTube again. This is another Nerf gun tutorial, and this one is about dart tags. Yeah, this is a little pistol, So just pull this back, fire, pull this back, fire, and one thing I really actually like about this gun is that you pull it back, fire, pull it back, fire. It takes these bullets, and you can take quite a few bullets. Range, accuracy. I'm sorry, the Nerf company, but this gun sucks. I don't know if you can shoot here to that door. Apparently you can. Wait, one. We'll find. Oh, barely. That's how terrible it is. So if I were you, I wouldn't waste your freaking money on little crappy little guns. No, don't waste your money on these. I got 2 of these even. See, I got 2 of these. See, they're both cocked. The thing that's kind of cool about this is actually not even as cool. Set this in there. Get a bullet. Can't even shoot 3. Can't even shoot 2 feet. I'll barely hit that one. Yeah, that's basically it for these little crappers. Yeah, did not buy these. Guess how much these cost? $13 together. Do not waste your money. No, you could use it for let's say, nothing. That's how terrible these Nerf guns are. Throw this one away, but I'm not throw it away. I'm sorry, Nerf company. Don't get mad, but you should, because you guys suck at making some guns. But that's it with the Nerf crap dart tags. And see you on another Nerf tutorial. Bye.